Today we will continue perimeter and area. As we know that area of square that is equal to side into side. Area of a parallelogram that is equal to base into altitude. Area of rectangle that equal to length into breadth. And area of circle, this is equal to pi r square, where r is radius of the circle. Okay. Now on the behalf of these formula, let us solve one question, that is find the area of rectangle of length L and breadth B. If the length is double and breadth is half, then find the area of new rectangle formed. So let's start. Length of the rectangle. Length of rectangle that is equal to L. Breadth of a rectangle, this is equal to B. Area of rectangle that is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. So it makes L into B. Now the condition is if the length is double, length of new rectangle, this is double, it means 2 into the previous length, that is L. 2L. Breadth of new rectangle that is B 1 by 2, half of its breadth. It means B by 2. Then area will be, area is equal to again length into breadth. Length into breadth. So you can say length is 2L and breadth is B by 2. B by 2. 2 cancels out 2. It forms L into B. Are they similar? The next question is, are the two areas equal? Are they equal? Yes, they are equal. So, yes, the two areas are equal. Two areas are equal. Okay. So, our next question is, a garden is in the shape of a parallelogram. It is in the shape of a parallelogram. Make a parallelogram here. With base 18.5 meter is the base, and altitude is here. It is 5.2 meter. If I am marking as a name, so it is A, B, C, D, and it is E. D is the altitude, that is the height. It is equal to 5.2 meter, and base is given A to B. A to B, it is 18.5 meter. Find the cost of a gardening, the whole garden, if the gardener charges rupees 5 per meter square. Okay, now tell me, meter square is the unit for area. It is used for the area. So we need to find out the area of a parallelogram. In this scenario, base of a parallelogram is given. Base of a parallelogram, that is equal to 18.5 meter, and altitude that is equal to 5.2 meter. Area of a parallelogram, area of parallelogram that is equal to base into altitude. Base into altitude. So base value is 18.5 and altitude is 5.2. When we multiply these two numbers, we will get 96.20 meter square. Okay. Now the cost of 1 meter square is rupees 5. So cost of 96.20 meter square will be First off, it is 5 into 96.20, that is equal to 500, 10, 1, 31, 3, 48, and decimal point will be in before the 2 digit. So it is 481 rupees. 481 rupees is needed to gardening the whole garden. Height of a rhombus is 10 centimeter and one of its diagonal is 12 centimeter. Now make a rhombus first. Make a rhombus first. These two are diagonals, these two. And then the property of a rhombus is the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. They A, B, this is B, C and D. The side of a rhombus is 10 centimeter. All sides are equal. As we know that rhombus, each side of a rhombus is equal, and the diagonal A to C, if I am talking about A to C, it is 12 centimeter, and all sides are equal. If I am taking as AB is equal to 10 centimeter, I am saying this is the perpendicular bisector. They are bisect each other. It means OA, the length of OA will be 12 by 2. It is 6 centimeter. It is 6 centimeter. And they make 90 degree. They make 90 degree. So in triangle AOB, angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. If a right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. According to this theorem, hypotenuse का square, hypotenuse is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Perpendicular square. So what is your 90 in front of 90? This side is called hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is equal to 10. 10 square is equal to, this is perpendicular, 6 square, and base is not given. I am taking as OB is equal to this one. So 100 is equal to 36 plus OB square. When it will be transposed, it is in plus sign, it will be changed into minus sign. 36 is equal to OB square. 100 minus 36, it is 64 is equal to OB, and when square we will transpose this and it will make square root. So 64 square root is 8 centimeter. The value of OB is 8 centimeter. Now what will be the BD? Diagonal of other, that is equal to twice of OB. 2 into 8, it means it is 16 centimeter. Okay. Perimeter, we need to find out the perimeter first. So perimeter of a rhombus, that is equal to 4 into side, because all the sides are equal. Perimeter is sum of all sides, sum of all sides. It means all the sides are equal. This is 10, 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40. Or you can say this is 4 into 10 equal to 40 centimeter. Okay, beta? Or area of a rhombus. Area of a rhombus, that is equal to half into product of its diagonal. Product of its diagonals. Product of its diagonal. Half into, what is the value write it here. 2 6 16 6 that is 96 centimeter square. We need to find out perimeter, that is equal to 40. Area, that is equal to 96 centimeter square. So here our next question is, we need to find out the area of shaded region. It is given, it is a square because all the sides are equal. So this is a square, and there are, these are two quadrants are given. What is quadrant? 1/4 of a circle. If we are making a circle and 1/4 part of a circle, this part, let's say, this part is called quadrant. This part is called quadrant of a circle. 1/4 part of a circle is called quadrant. So we need to find out the area. Or one is here, one is your semicircle. This is semicircle. Semicircle, what it means? It means half of the circle. If we are making a circle, so half part of a circle is called semicircle. So what should we do to find out the area of shaded region? We need to find out the area of quadrant, area of this quadrant, and area of semicircle. And area of square, when we subtract from area of square to this and this, the remaining portion is our shaded region. Let's start. So area of square. What is the area of square? That is side into side. What is the value of side in here? It is 7 into 7. 49 centimeter square. Okay. Now area of semicircle. Area of semicircle. Semi, what it means? That is half of area of circle. Half of area of circle. That is pi r square. Okay. Half into, what is the value of pi? That is 22/7. And r, complete, this is your diameter, and the value of diameter is 7. Then what is the value of radius? That will be 7/2 square. Half into 22/7 into 7/2 into 7/2. 2 ones are 2, 11. 7, 7/2. So 11 sevens are 77/4 centimeter square. Okay, beta. Now here, now we need to find out the area of quadrant. Area of quadrant. Area of quadrant, I told you earlier, this is 1/4 area of square, that is pi r square. What is the value of r again? Here, this is the radius of a circle. This and this. Complete is 7. So the radius will be 7/2 again. 7/2. Can I write it twice? Because here it is a power, so we can write it twice. Okay, 2 times of this. So this is 2 ones are 2, 11, 7 cancel out. It becomes 77/8 centimeters square for one quadrant. Area of second quadrant. It is similarly, that is equal to 77/8 because all the dimensions are same. So whatever the area of that quadrant, this is equal to that quadrant also. Okay, so area of shaded region. Area of shaded region will be, how can we find out? It is area of square, complete area of square, minus area of quadrant, area of 2 quadrants, plus area of semicircle. area of shaded region, that is equal to area of square, complete square. In this area, we will subtract this area and area of a semicircle. So we are writing here all these terms. 77 by 4 for area of a semicircle. Area of quadrant are 77 by 8, 77 by 8. When we solve this term, this is 308 by 8. Taking an LCM, because when they are in fraction, we will solve by taking an LCM. It is 8, 49, 8 are 392 minus 308. 309, that is equal to 84 by 8. 4 2s are 4 2s are 4 1s are. So 21 by 2 centimeter square, or you can write it as 10.5 centimeter square. This is the area of shaded region. Students, I hope this video helps you to solve the questions related to area and perimeter, and please go through your reference book also and complete the questions in your notebook. Thank you so much.